Okay guys, quick video for fun. Thought I'd do a little room tour just because I want to post something on my channel. This is like the far side of my room. Got like my bed, my stuffed animals. You got my anime posters. This is lead. Got a little curtain, dumbbell stuff, laundry. This is where I keep all my clothes. This is my suitcase for when I travel. Here is like all of my clothes, not already in the box, but here. Um, this is my little desk on top of the TV. It's kind of dirty. I'm also a little shirtless in this video because I'm about to shower after this. But yeah, I could really do a good deal of organization there. My floor, pretty neat, pretty clean. This is actually my bed blanket, but I took a nap on my couch after the gym because I was kind of tired. So this is a big frame of Hunter x Hunter and Walls with JoJo's. That's still my favorite anime. Like on this side, it's kind of like the funner side. I got like my little fake Claymore. This is a Jolene box I saw. I saw it at TJ Maxx, I think, or no, Burlington. I bought it. It's my Lego flower set. My katana. My bookshelf full of manga and like actual books. Box of manga, scale, bookshelf of various things, figures, cleaning supplies, journals, books. It's my desk. Oh, my computer's on there. I was watching a video on my couch, but my computer's here, or it's supposed to be on my desk. It's my mic, a little fake plant, some decorations. I use these as like book. I put my laptop on here so like it doesn't heat on my table. Toothbrush, cell, more anime posters. Okay, so I recently got this. This is a big empty space, and originally here, it was like a katana stand, but it started like falling. Right, the the ones you put on like on the top of your desk like table. Um, that one's well, I had my mom. She pinned it to the nailed it to the wall, but then it started falling. So this is like a life goal checklist that my junior math teacher gave out to all of his students after graduation. So I'm still trying to complete that. I don't know why I still have this. I gotta get rid of it. This is like I hang this on my wall when I started high school, so I knew what all my requirements would be when I could like graduate and go to college. Clock, claymore, doorknob. Down here is like my trash can. I got more books, more stuff down here. This is my camera. My record a video soon. You know who knows. Backpack. Anything honestly, anything got like secretive in here. You know, I got this poster's been here for a while. Oh, there's a hole in my wall. So I had this for like a good several years. I had a poster to cover it, but it started to rip, so I got to add a new poster. Um, Berserk. Ah, Tarp, Sephiroth amiibo, AC. This, if you're wondering, it's like my little. Right here, my laptop. Carrier thing, lamp. Let me see anything cool I want to show you guys before I dip to the shower. Um. Oh, you know. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't show you all that. Never mind. Never mind. Ooh. Oh, you know what? This is neat. Check it out. I remember a while back I bought this steampunk hat. There you go. Bought at Goodwill. It wasn't used, like a branded thing, but it was pretty cool. Like the has like a little fake feather. Gloves are removable. Goggles are removable. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope my room's not terrible, not too terrible for y'all, but oh shit. I gotta leave it here. I'll just leave it on my bed for now. But yeah. Yeah, my room isn't too terrible for y'all. I'm gonna go head to the shower. Peace.